They told me to bring the buffalo sauce, but I couldn't find the buffalo.
Welcome
back to
Get
Salty. Hello everyone and welcome back to Get Salty. Today is a very exciting episode because we are making my favorite. And guess what that is?
What?
Can I get a drum roll please? Buffalo chicken wing dip. This recipe is so simple to make. It only requires 5 ingredients. What are those ingredients, you ask? Well, here it is.
buffalo sauce,
Cheddar cheese, chicken,
cream cheese,
and ranch dressing.
Okay, the first thing you should probably do is preheat your oven at 350 degrees.
which we did.
We did that. It's currently preheating. Next, we need to melt our cream cheese so it's easier to mix. So we're gonna do that right now.
You idiot. Listen, I know how to cook.
You know how to cook.
I'm not shut up. You're on camera now, but Tan's gonna have to cut it out.
Put that in the blooper. No, you don't.
Next, let's add ranch dressing.
1 cup.
1 cup,
And
pretty measure.
Yeah, and we have our cream cheese in here. 2 8-ounce packs. Okay. All right. Next, we need to add our 3/4 cup of buffalo sauce. Michelle's really good at eyeballing it.
Amen to that.
That looks about right. Do you want to add it?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Ooh, looks so good. All right. So we're gonna add our chicken. So Blake, let's put the chicken in.
Chunk chicken, preferably. This is Swanson brand, which all chicken's okay. Chicken's chicken.
Yeah, that looks good. Really, keep mixing it in.
Let's add the cheese.
Okay, lastly we need to add our cheese. 1 cup. So I'm gonna leave a little bit so we can sprinkle it on the top.
Whoa, that's enough.
No,
And
it's-
sprinkle on top.
Nope, I measured, it's fine. Okay, that's good. Ooh, Sarah, thank you so much.
Listen, Mama's home cooked meals, eyeball everything.
Okay, now we need to put this in there. Blake's got it.
Give me that.
Sarah really wanted to use a fancy mixing bowl. So
This morning when I was getting the cream cheese, I got it and put it on the truck seat, and I left Walmart and my coffee fell off in the center console, spilled all over the cream cheese, but I didn't want to tell the group because then they would send me back for more cream cheese, and I was not going back to Walmart for more cream cheese this morning.
Hey guys, we're on our way to go get the chicken wing dip. Come on.
Oh, Jesus. Guys, the food is in here. Here comes our teacher to get the food. Go,
You
Sarah,
want to be on the
Go, Sarah,
Get
go.
Salty?
Go, it's already recording. It's too late to ask. Oh, I can't see where I'm going.
Dude, this guy's videotaping.
I can't see where I'm going, so how do you want me to keep going?
Let's get it out. Alright, guys, here's the deal. We're gonna pull the most epic prank. I'm gonna tell them that I dropped it all over the floor. It's actually right here, though. Oh, let's go. floor.
No, it didn't. You're just, Courtney's not here. She's bringing it. You're just trying to trick us to make it seem dramatic like you dropped it.
Yeah.
I really don't think you're that.
Yeah.
capable.
Action. Courtney
all over
is
the
right
hallway.
behind you.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it really all over the hallway?
It's a mess. Someone go look.
Because that's why you're here.
I don't believe it.
I don't know. Yeah.
It's a mess.
Okay, did you
Because
record
you
it?
would have left.
They
Yes.
so fell for it.
They
I
so
wouldn't
fell
have
for
left
that.
it.
Now we're gonna try our wonderful dip. Everyone dig in.
Dip your stuff into it.
Really, really good. Really, really hot. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our video, and stick around for next time. Bye.